Hey, good morning, guys, or good afternoon, I guess, if you're in here in 7-8. Sorry I couldn't be here today. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys some tips to help you out with the activity I left for you guys. All right, if you are in our homepage on Schoology, you go down to the folder for Thursday, November 1st. Happy November. Okay. All right, pretty much everything I'm going over in the video here is going to be listed right here on this page. At the top here, I'm going to put this video right up here at the top as well. We're going to be taking a look at a web quest today. Okay, the document isn't here, and if I click that, it'll pull it up. You'll see I have an open tab, so I'll go back. Okay, the substitute should have a copy for you, a paper copy for you. All right, I know last time we didn't really like using Kami so much, so I decided we would use a paper version for this one. Okay, because of that, I still put the PDF up on Schoology, so you could come here and click some of the links, but I also put all of those in the folder for today. Okay, so just looking through real quick, the first part is looking at weathering versus erosion versus deposition. You click that link, should take you to an article that looks like this. You know, talk about two different types of weathering, so on and so forth. So you have some time to explore that. Part 2 is looking at the Grand Canyon. Now, I will say this link has been giving me some trouble. So if you pull it up tomorrow, it doesn't look like it's working, just jump over it and we can come back to it on Friday. Okay, but this is a quick video. There are limited headphones up front if you should need them. Just remember to return them when you're finished. Okay, part 3, we are looking at a brain pop. Again, there are some videos around with this one. Okay, this one's got a couple different parts. There's a quiz, there's a challenge, a game, and things like that, looking at different maps. There's a movie. Again, you're going to need some headphones for this, but a couple different parts. The directions within the paper should be pretty good. I'm telling you, feel free to pause or rewind the video. All of these are about the video. Okay, this one's talking about the quiz. Part 4, the link actually got cut out. Sad face. Refused to connect. There it is. Okay, so remember, if I ever get to a picture like this, I can always click that button at the top right to get me where I'm going. Okay, here's going to be your information for part 4. Okay, and again, you'll have some time. Look through that and get through some of those questions. So there's 4 parts to the web quest. Your links are in this PDF, which you should be getting a copy of from the substitute. The links are also right here. All right. If you do finish this really quickly and you want to continue to work on your rock cycle project, that is perfectly fine. And I will be on Schoology all day. I'm going to be at the district working on something else. So feel free to shoot me a message on Schoology if you need to. And if not, I will see you on Friday.